Chris O'Dowd, Amy Huberman. Starring Stephen Ray and this guy, Simon Delaney. In a twisted world where blood appears on walls for no apparent reason, one man holds the key. Where all is not as it seems. A band of lost souls are determined to change it all back to what it was before.
How did this happen?
What do you want to know?
Curious kind of a
Never mind how or why. The question is, who?
It's a good question. We should really get to the bottom of that before we move on.
Here's the plan. We split up. You come with me. You go with him.
Come on. Do you know, if I have to go with him, I'd rather go alone. I don't want to be a pain in the arse. I'm going to go alone.
Gonna love him.
Chris O'Dowd gives a performance that critics describe as mesmerizing. Stephen Ray gives a performance critics describe as superlative. Amy Huberman gives a performance critics describe as scintillating. Simon Delaney gives a performance. In a world where one door closes and another one opens. Where questions are answered by more questions, and those questions are never answered, so still leave remaining questions unanswered.
No more questions! Except for one. How the do we get out of here?
Where fiction becomes reality, and lies become truth, and things are left unsaid, where good and evil work together to ease unrest, where shadows become light, and questions remain unanswered, where dreams become reality, and reality turns to dreams. And Ryan Tubridy as the Fat Monk.